BISSELL CrossWave Pet Pro, and it's an all-in-one vacuum and mop too. And it's really easy to use. All you have to do is push on it and it goes back. Then there's also two buttons here, which if you want to use it for rugs or if you want to use it for hard floors. Perfect. And then there's a button here in the back as well. Now, what I really like about this is it has dual chambers. So you got your clean water and then you got your dirty water, and it's not going to mix. So let me show you close up and how easy it is to work. So since we have the hard floor, we're going to push it. So it's very easy. You just push on it and pull back. And then right here, there's buttons. Either you push this on for rug or here for hard floor. So we're going to push it there. And then you push it off. Also, right here, there's a lever that you're going to push to release the fluid out. And right here is the chamber for the clean water. And then right here has a handle so you can easily move it. And right there is the chamber for the dirt. This also swivels. You see the brushes? Let me show you. Wow. Super dirty but works great. You push it here. And it also has a super long cord, which I really like because it can get into longer areas. So you don't always have to keep unplugging and plugging it back in. You see how it made it all nice and wet. Also, when you're done using it, all you have to do is tilt it back up. And once you hear it snap, you know it's good to go and stays in place. This is the cord wrap right here, and that is the lever. So if you have a pet, this is a great thing to use for mopping quick spills and pet hair too. Thanks for watching and hope you found this video helpful.